Baby Signs presents My Mealtime Signs. Starring the Baby Signs Monkeys, Bibo, the Baby Signs Bear, and the Diaper Doodles.
Hello, says our friend Bibo. He wants to sign with you. He can teach you mealtime signs. That's what he can do. Oh, look, it's baby Suki. What can Suki do? She can do the sign for drink. That's what she can do. Baby Sunshine wants some milk. Songbird can ask for more. Baby Squiggle says it's time to eat. That's what signs are for. And here comes Baby Scooter. Why, yes, he's signing too. He'll teach you to do the cereal sign. Yes, that's what he'll do. Sunshine will show you what to do when you want your bib put on. And Songbird says when there's no more food, it's time to sign all gone. So look for our friend Bibo. He'll show you what to do. Just like the Diaper Doodles, you'll soon be signing too.
Bib. 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 Scooter needs a bib. This is the sign for bib. Now, Sunshine and Scooter have bibs. Bib. Hey, let's all sign bib. 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 Bib.